Once you have received your shoulder CPM from the Medcom group in a box delivered straight to your door, you will need to go through a simple yet important setup process. By following the step-by-step guide, you will be able to successfully set up your own shoulder CPM and be on your way to a quicker rehabilitation. The shoulder CPM machine does require the help of another person to set up. Once you have removed the machine from its packaging and placed the packing materials back in the box, you will place the seat assembly on the floor with the wheels down. There will be 2 clips that, once removed, will allow the legs to be removed and inverted to reattach. Now with the wheels at the back of the machine, the clips can be reinserted and the chair can be flipped upright. The next step will be to locate the thumb screw on the seat back and loosen it so that the seat can be positioned in a 90-degree angle. Next, insert the 2 arms of the chair and set them to their appropriate settings. This can be done by first adjusting the one setting to 10 degrees on the side correlating to the affected arm. Once this is done, the other side can be adjusted to the 90-degree mark. On the side correlating to the effective arm that you had set to 10 degrees, you will loosen the thumb screw and insert the motor arm matching up the red marks. The 2 setting will be determined according to your height. On the opposite side, where you have placed the 1 setting to 90 degrees, you will loosen the thumb screw and insert the resting arm. You will then proceed to the motor arm by adjusting the 4 setting until the dial points to 90 degrees. The 3 setting will be adjusted according to your height. Next, you will locate the plug-ins on the back side of the chair and attach the corresponding plugs. The 2 square plugs from the motor arm will be clipped into the left square plug-ins. The round plug will accommodate the remote control, and the power cord will be attached on the right side. From here, you will insert the appropriate chip card into the remote, and then you will be on your way to a successful recovery. In the CPM machine, the joint will move in a comfortable, slow, and rhythmic pattern. By increasing the fluid movement around the repaired joint, the continuous passive movement helps reduce both swelling and joint pain. The continuous passive movement helps to keep the joint flexible and helps increase the patient's range of motion, and helps reduce the risk of complication in the surgically repaired joint. Once you are done with the CPM machine, you will need to disassemble the machine to its original state and place it back into the original packaging. Thank you for letting us be a part of your post-op rehab team.